There is an important update from Cognizant. Cognizant is sending date of joining mail to all of the candidates who have given their HR round on 10th of November, 16th of November, and 20th of November. So they will get the date of joining in a mail. Okay. So Cognizant is also sending the rejection mail to all the candidates who does not fulfill the eligibility criteria. For example, they have less than 60% in their graduation, or maybe 1 or 2 year gaps. So they will more than 2 year gaps. Then Cognizant will send a rejection mail after your offer letter. So if you have not received your offer date of joining mail after you received your offer letter, then wait for some time. You will get your date of joining mail soon, and those candidates have got their date of joining mail. I will show you the mail, that this kind of mail the Cognizant has sent, that welcome to Cognizant, the first is growing global type tire consulting, and your date of joining is 6th of January 2022. Click here to accept your date of joining, and you have to also mandatory upload your documents, all of your documents, in the One Cognizant portal. For your background verification, most of the candidates have already completed their background verification. So if you have completed, no need to upload it again. Then you have to click here to accept your date of joining, and there you have to just accept your date of joining. So I will try to answer the candidates who have not got their date of joining mail. So please wait for that. If you fulfill their eligibility criteria, you will for sure will receive your date of joining mail. No need to worry. And if you do not fulfill your eligibility criteria, then Cognizant will send a rejection mail. In that case, you will not get your date of joining mail. So this was the update from Cognizant Agency. To If this video is helpful to you, please like this video. To get more updates from Cognizant Agency, subscribe to my channel to get more future updates.